Hi everyone, my name is Peter Pikalski. Today we'll continue building financial model of an apartment complex from scratch. And today I would like to add some coefficients for inputs to make us easily create new scenarios, and because the next steps will be dealing with building the cash flow statement. We will be able to see the financing, the amount of financing that we need. We will be able to see the simple, discounted payback period, and when we will see all this information, people also always want to play with inputs. But the problem is that playing with these inputs can be very difficult, and it's always better to play with coefficients than playing with numbers of inputs itself. So playing with coefficients is much easier. You can feel your business idea more accurately, and that's why I would like to add some coefficients to make this play more easily. So what coefficients have? So we have coefficients to the rent. We have coefficients to the whole construction costs. This is investment plan. We have down, and here we have investment plan articles. We can add coefficients here. We can add a coefficient. This will be the input, by the way, so we color this coefficient with blue. So we will multiply this value on this coefficient. So we can, for example, remember this value. So we can increase all investment plan, for example, twice. So this is the first option that we may have, like this. But for example, we don't want to increase all the investment plan twice. We just want to dive to increase only the investment article number 1, so on 50%. So, and we may have this opportunity, so this will be more easily to play with different scenarios if we have the specific coefficient to specific investment article, not for all of them, but so we have general coefficient and we have specific coefficients for different investment articles. So this is the first group of coefficients that we added. Then we have direct costs, the same story. So we will add a coefficient here. What I will do, so this coefficient, marking it with specific color, and I will add the coefficient for all direct costs. So if we go here, I will add this coefficient here, and I will add freezing the column, and I will add this coefficient, general coefficient, increasing column and row. Now we'll extrapolate this formula to the bottom and to the right. So here I can increase all direct costs on 20%, or I can increase only these this direct expense, for example, 20 times, for example. So we can go here and see this increase, or we can example take 2% of all current fixed direct costs, so we can see the decline in numbers here. This is the general coefficient for all direct costs. This is the specific coefficient that goes with specific direct cost item. So I will have fixed cost coefficients. Let me just have it here. Base fixed cost coefficient. This will be 100%. This is an input. This is the input. And we may also have some coefficient for specific fixed cost items. So the basic value of coefficient will be 100% for each item. And now we will add all these coefficients, general for all expenses and for each item. We will add them to this table. So first we're adding this coefficient, and then we are adding specific. So we're taking the typical year, increase, for example, 2 times all the values, or we can take, for example, fixed cost number 23 and increase them 5 times, for example. See here, yeah? So now we are moving to the payroll. We will also add the coefficient for the payroll. What is 100%? So this is the input. So now we'll add specific coefficient for this or that position. And now we will add all these coefficients to the basic table where we will take all these expenses to the cash flow statement. So we are freezing column, then we are freezing this cell, global coefficient for payroll. So this is local column, global cell. Then we will extrapolate this data to the bottom and to the right. So now we're ready for the cash flow, for the building of cash flow statement. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. We can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.